Yeah, love makes little things grow.
Get ready, dog run! Here comes Clifford! Hi. Hello there. My name's Clifford. That looks like fun. Hello? Hi. I'm Clifford. Today's my first day here. Well, I think that's enough swimming for today. It was nice talking to you. Whoa!
Whoa. Hey, you need some help?
Sure.
My name's Jorge.
Oh, I'm Clifford.
Oh, it's nice to meet you, Clifford.
That's a cool hole you made.
Oh, thanks. You know, I really dig digging holes.
Really? Me too. Oh, and I love burying stuff.
So do I.
Oh, hey, either of you want to come play dodgeball with us?
Oh, sure, yeah, I'll play. How about you, Clifford?
Sure.
All right, buddy. Hey, maybe you and I can be on the same team.
Okay, now you two can be on my team, and you two can be on that team.
Psst. Hey, Clifford, when I get the ball, I'm gonna pass it to you, okay? So be ready.
Well, okay.
Clifford! Come on, pass it, Clifford!
Hey, what's he doing? Hey, if you can't play dodgeball, then maybe you should go play something else.
Oh, I'm sorry. You know, I'm not sure I heard what you said just then. Were you talking to me?
Nuh-uh, I was talking to this dog. You know, the little red guy?
Oh, you mean my buddy Clifford? Well, see, if you're not being nice to Clifford, then you're not being nice to me. Get it?
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. Maybe I'll just go get that ball now. See ya.
Thanks, Jorge.
Oh, of course. Friends gotta look out for each other, Clifford.